Hey friends, if Wi-Fi option is not showing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to enable the network adapter. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command ncpa.cpl and hit enter. This will open the network connections window. Right click on the active network connection, and then if there is anything named as enable here, then click on enable. If you have a red cross here, it means that the adapter was disabled at the first place. The next solution is to run the network troubleshooter. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, and then go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side. Select troubleshoot in the right pane, select other troubleshooters, click on one corresponding to the network adapter troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the network drivers. How would you update network drivers? Search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager, and then expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the wireless driver and select update driver. Click on search automatically for drivers. The last solution is a network reset. Okay, and how would we reset the network? Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side, select advanced network settings in the right pane, click on network reset, click on reset now, click on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.